The experience was great. Everyone was kind and professional and helpful. And the technology is pretty amazing to be able to recover as quickly as you can after fixing your vision through that procedure. In the week that's passed, I haven't had to wear glasses. I know distance vision takes a little bit to kick in again, but I haven't been able to see close in years. This has all been blurry. So it's crazy that it improves that quickly. Yeah, being able to see my wife and daughter and those I love without having to wear glasses has been pretty amazing. And just being able to get through the day without having to have those on hand. And I look forward to getting into some of the work that I do and out onto the range and stuff, and not having to lug those around. I think the detail that stood out to me most has been Dr. Strange's kindness and the kindness of his team. They know what they're doing, but there are a lot of people who know what they're doing and are not necessarily kind during the process. And Dr. Strange and his whole team are extremely kind and helpful. To someone who's been putting this off, I just say there's no reason. With today's technology, it's a pretty phenomenal procedure. I don't think there's a reason not to go through with it. And recovery is amazingly short, for what it's doing. So it's an extremely safe and life-changing procedure. I'd absolutely recommend Alliance Vision over anyone else. I spoke with several people as well. Other companies going through here. Dr. Strange, I really do think he cares. I don't think it's just a numbers game. He also nerds out over the technology too, which is helpful. So a lot of other people are using old equipment to where they can't even do procedures on certain people's eyes, but all the latest technology, Dr. Strange is able to cover, whatever's possible today. So it's been phenomenal. Yeah, I'm just super grateful. It's just a blessing from the Lord, the way all this came about. And just being able to connect with Dr. Strange, it's a gift from God to have been able to be part of this and get treated by Dr. Strange and fix my vision. So